Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited you decided to join me today as I share with you an unboxing of Scrapdiva Designs dies. I was in my craft room and I was going through and taking out all my Halloween and fall goodies that I have and separating some of my Christmas as well, because it's getting to that time of year where I'm going to transition to crafting, and that is my favorite time to craft. So I put a few things in the background here just to give it a festive look while I show you the dies that I received. So if you care to purchase any of the dies, you can go to this website here. Please use Carol10 at checkout. I'm going to leave links to all the dies to make it easy for you to shop in the description box below. So let's get started with the first die, which is the Witch Bow die set. And this is so fun. I can't wait to play with these dies. Erica has come up with some great Halloween crafting dies. And since that's one of my favorite times to craft, I'm super excited to play with these. And you can see it comes with a whole bunch of different pieces to embellish and decorate your bow, and I bet you this is going to look great on those boxes that you like to make to put candy in for the kids to come to your house. The next we have is the Cauldron Shaker, and you can see how cute this is with the little bubbles, and you can put these eyeballs in your shaker. So cute. I can't wait to play with this. The ideas are just racing in my mind. I love this candy corn die. I'm super taken with the little hearts that this will cut out in the bottom of the candy corn. Isn't that cute? It's adorable. The next one is the gumball Halloween add-on. So if you have the gumball machine, you need this. Or if you don't have the gumball machine, you need to get the gumball machine and this. This comes with so many different pieces to decorate the gumball machine. You have little eyeballs, spiders. Look at that really cute candy corn. A spider web, bones, and witch's boots, and a witch's hat. So cute. That's gonna be so darling. The next one, we're going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to go to the Winter Llama. And I can't wait to do this one. This one is really cute. If you've seen the picture on Erica's website, it's got a little hat, and it's dressed for winter. Really cute. Look at the little eyelashes on that. That's going to be fun to play with. I already have an idea for that. Next, we're going to go to the Skull bag topper set, and you get two sizes. Here's the bag toppers, and they even have the little holes on the top for hanging. And you have the large and the small. Very cute, right? Super cute. And you get two, so you can do the front and the back. Really cute. The next one we have is the skull set. So let me turn it this way. I had it, that's the hat. It has glasses and a couple bows and the spider. Isn't that cute? This will look cute on a favor box. Next we have the spider shaker. This has a couple different sizes in it. A rather large one and then a smaller one. These are fun. I can't wait to play with this. You already know my brain is shifting into high gear. I love it. And then Erica thinks of everything. We have sentiments for our little boxes and containers that we like to make. And we get this. It's called a Halloween stamp and die set. And you get the layering piece, which I always like, and then look at this stamp right here to make it look spooky, like it's old and things like that. Really cute. So you get the stamp spooky, trick or treat, eek, hey sugar, bite me, boo, witch power, boo to you, bad to the bone, and that goes really good with the die set, right? Because there's a lot of bones in the die sets. Beware, candy please, and happy haunting. Really, really cute. I'll be using that a lot. Next, we have a 3D ticket booth gift box right here. And this can be made into any theme. It doesn't have to be Halloween. It could be Christmas. It could be Valentine's Day. It could even be a birthday one, as far as I'm concerned. We'll see. I'm going to be playing with this in the craft room, and I'll be showing you this pretty soon. All right, the next one I'm excited about is this French fry box, and look at all the hearts on the heart cutout. That's really cute. And this is good for any occasion. This could be for birthday party favors, Halloween, Christmas, really Valentine's Day, a good one for Valentine's Day because of all these little hearts. And then you get, there's another heart right there. You get all the pieces to decorate your French fry box. Really cute. The next one that's coming soon is the school pennants. And you have pennants that say 3rd grade, 5th grade, 4th grade, 2nd grade, favorite teacher, first day, back to school, and 1st grade. I love this because I was enjoying making my back to school items, and these are great for mini albums for students that are going to school. You can use these in your mini albums. I can't wait to play with that for that purpose because I have, as you know, little Emma started kindergarten this year, so I will be making her a mini album to keep her school pictures in. And then last but not least, which is also coming soon, is the Halloween pennants. And these will look cute on your projects as well. For sentiments, you have ghoul, treat, eek, boo, spooky, scary, and trick. So that is my unboxing for you today. I thank you so much for joining me. The next time I come back and see you, I will have some Halloween projects for you, as I'm going straight from here to the craft room to play around with my dies. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye-bye.